I'm Lauren.
And I'm Maddie.
And we're proud to be part of the Welman Project, a nonprofit that's turning trash into treasure and transforming the way we support educators in our community. Our mission is powerful but simple. We rescue surplus business waste, materials that would otherwise end up in the landfill, and get them into the hands of teachers and students that need them most, all free of charge. Since 2017, we've rescued over 1,400 dumpsters worth of materials from the landfill while providing resources for over 3,500 schools in the state of Texas. But here's the exciting part. We're not just reducing waste, we're inspiring innovation and empowering the next generation of problem solvers through creative reuse.
And that's why winning this GigaPrize 3D printer would be such a huge game changer for us. Imagine the possibilities. Instead of just redistributing surplus materials, we could actually transform them. We could take broken plastic, old filament, and industrial scraps and transform them into classroom tools and teaching aids that empower every single student and teacher in our community. Imagine a teacher needs manipulatives for a math lesson, or visual aids for a science experiment. We could 3D print exactly what they need out of discarded materials. Instead of having to purchase expensive replacement parts for their lab equipment and their furniture, we could create those parts on demand, lowering costs for teachers and keeping essential tools in use longer. This means fewer materials wasted, more money kept in our schools, and more creative solutions for classrooms. Additionally, the GigaPrize 3D printer would allow us to enrich our professional development program for teachers. Teachers who have 3D printers in their schools find they are often underutilized because of the lack of training on CAD and 3D printing software. Educators could learn hands-on 3D printing schools at the Welman Project, enabling them to take these techniques back to their schools. We'd not only be equipping classrooms with innovative tools, but also fostering sustainability, design thinking, and creativity, skills essential for today's students.
By combining the power of 3D printing with our commitment to creative reuse, we can bolster our innovative model for educational support. One where waste becomes opportunity and each educator has access to the tools needed to inspire their students. This 3D printer would help us scale our impact for thousands of teachers across the state of Texas every year, turning discarded materials into classroom solutions that truly make a difference.
Let's turn waste into wonder, one 3D printed layer at a time.
Join us in empowering teachers, students, and schools through innovation and sustainability.